Hello friends, welcome to Veda's Healthy Living. Today's recipe is Mixed Kathod Dosa. Before preparing or eating any food, understanding its nutrition is very important. Let us now understand the health benefits of kathod or pulses. Pulses are high in fiber. They are rich in proteins. They are good source of folates, as in vitamin B9. They maintain digestive health and boost your energy levels. Excellent for managing cholesterol levels. Pulses are heart healthy food choice. Research has shown that eating pulses can lower blood cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and help with body weight management. Pulses are low in saturated trans fats and high in soluble fiber. Ingredients to prepare dosa: mixed pulses, red chilies, ginger, salt and turmeric as per taste. Let us now start with the recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.